Hello everybody, happy Saturday. Just wanted to share with you my water feature I made for my garden last year. It is a DIY project I found from Robbie and Gary Gardening Easy channel. And it's costs barely anything. This pump is a solar powered pump, which I got from Amazon. And it has the solar panel here. And all you need is that solar panel. From the Dollar Tree, you need this bowl, this serving tray, and this soldering iron, which I use to make these little holes. That's it. Add a couple of rocks, maybe some wood, some pebbles, whatever you like. Last year I had it in my garden on my table, on my patio. This year it's on a 5-gallon bucket close to this tree in my yard. So, happy creating out there. You can do it all kinds of ways. And that's it. Thanks for watching.